go. Lincoln Charter Schools, Thursday, last day of two digit multiplication. I gave you four problems from Wednesday to do for today. And that was 97 times 31, 44 times 64, 55 times 84, and 16 times 23. I already have them complete on my sheet, so I'm hoping that you have the answers as well. We're going to go through them, and then for Friday, we're going to start simple multiplication and division word problems. So let's jump right into our last four problems of this worksheet of two digit by two digit multiplication. And the first one being 97 times 31. Like I said, I've already completed my sheet. So we have the 97 times 31. As you see, I have dinosaur heads drawn already. For the ones place, it's in orange here. You're going to take 1 times 7, which equals 7. Then you'll take 1 times 9, gives you 97. And you see I got my 97 down. I used green for my second dinosaur head. We'll take 3 times 7, which is 21. I put my 1 down. You see everything flows together. My 1 is in the tens place because I'm starting now in the tens place. So again, 23 times 7 is 21. You put your 1 down. You see I carried my 2. 3 times 9 is 27 plus 2 is 29. I put my 29 down, which gave me a final answer of 291. Have my addition sign up here. Now we're going to add 7 plus 0 is 7. Then it's 9 plus 1 equals 10. I carry my 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. I put my 0 down. I carry my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, which gives me a final answer of 3007. So your final answer should look like mine, and it should be 3007. Now we're going to move on to problem number 2. In problem number 2, we had 44 times 64. As you see here, I used orange for my 4. It's in the ones place. We're going to go 4 times 4 is 16. I put my 6 down. I carried my 1. Then we're going to go 4 times 4 is 16 plus 1 is 17. I put my 17 down, giving me a total answer of 176. Then for the 6, which is in the tens place, I use my green dinosaur head. And we got 6 times 4 is 24. As again, you see, I put my 4 down, but everything flows in order. My 4 is underneath my 6. It's in the tens place, not underneath the ones. It's in the tens place. So I put my 4 down. I carried it 2. 6 times 4 is 24 plus 2 is 26, giving me a final answer of 264. I drew my line. I have to put my addition sign down. I added. I didn't draw my symbol. I had to put my addition sign down. And here we go. 6 plus 0 is 6. 4 plus 7 is 11. I put my 1 down. I carried my 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 6 equals 8. Put my 8 down. And then it's 2 plus 0 equals 2, which gave us a final answer of 2,816. You can see that here, 2,816. And I'm going to put my addition symbol down on the paper because I always tell you to make sure you have your addition symbol on the paper. So as you see, Mr. Way went back. I put my addition symbol on the problem, and we are moving on to 55 times 84. That's right here. 55 times 84. Right here. In that problem, you're going to start out with 4 times 5, which is 20. You're going to put your 0 down and carry the 2. Then you'll multiply again. 4 times 5 equals 20 plus 2 equals 22, which gives you a final answer of 220. Then I use the green dinosaur head for my tens place. So 8 times 5 equals 40. Everything flows again. I have my 0 down. I put my 0 down. I carried my 4. All right, so then it's 8 times 5 equals 40 plus 4 equals 44. So gives me a final answer of 440. Got my addition sign down. Got my line drawn. It's time to add. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. And then 4 plus nothing, or 0, is 4, giving us a final answer of 4,620. You can take a look at that. 4,620. Now remember, when you're multiplying, if you have to carry, make sure, like on this problem here, where you're actually crossing out your extra numbers to make sure you're not adding more numbers than you're supposed to. Make sure, like I said, you have your proper symbols down here so you know you're adding and not subtraction. Don't do what I did and leave it blank. Always have your symbol down. You can see all the way up the page. I made sure I had my symbol down. We're adding. Moving on to our last 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication problem. It's been a long worksheet. We've been on this for a week. We're finally at the last problem. That's 16 times 23. I have my orange dinosaur head. I have my green dinosaur head. 3 times 6 is 18. I put my 8 down. I carried the 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 1 is 4, which gives me 48. I put my 48 down. Then I have my green dinosaur head in the tens place. So it's 2 times 6 equals 12. I put my 2 down. You see, again, everything flows. You have to make sure your stuff lines up. You want to line it up to make sure you're not putting numbers in the wrong place. So it's 6 times 2 equals 12. Put my 2 down, and I carried my 1 again. Then it's 2 times 1 equals 2. Plus 1 equals 3. I put my 3 down. It gave me an answer of 32. Drew my addition symbol. Drew my line. Now it's time to add. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 3 plus 0 equals 3, giving us a final answer of 368. We went through those rather quickly. By now, we've been on this for a week, so I felt like we can move a little bit faster. If you need to, go back and rewatch the videos. It's on YouTube, so you can watch it at any time. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can get all the new videos. Make sure you're liking and sharing the videos with classmates and siblings and even your parents. They can sit down and watch the videos as well. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment or leave me a note or a message in your Google Classroom, and I will get back to you. And if that's not just math, if you need help in any class, let me know. Mr. Wade will get back to you. Also, while I have your attention, please make sure you are logging in and doing your attendance each day. You have to do your attendance each day. We still have to take attendance. Make sure you're starting each day with doing your reading and your math work, and then continue through the day. But make sure you get your reading and your math work done. All your teachers will greatly appreciate it. And again, if you need help, you can reach out to any of us. But since it's my video, you can reach out to me directly. Mr. Way, and I will help you. Doesn't matter what time it is. Reach out to me. I will get back to you. So I will see y'all tomorrow, bright and early, on multiplication and division word problems.